What is up, my fellow jewelers? So I'm always looking for the next coolest style of necklace or bracelet or earrings to wear, and I have found it. I love this style. I wear it, I make it for my friends, and so today we're going to learn how to make this chunky, long, look how long it is, long beaded necklace. Isn't that so cute? Oh my goodness, I love it. And you know what? It's so easy. It's so simple. All you do is make a ton of loops per bead and put it on a chain, and you got yourself a long, chunky beaded necklace. So let's go so I can teach you how to make this fabulous piece of jewelry. Okay, here we go. So this is what you're going to need to make your long, chunky, fun necklace. You're going to need chain, of course. This is 36 inches. Yeah, it's really long, it's really sturdy, and I love it for this necklace. You're going to need beads. You're going to need a lot of beads. For every bead you're going to need a head pin and then a split ring. So not really, besides the beads, a lot of material. So the first thing I want to do is I want to make my necklace come together. So it's just one long chain. Like it's not connected at this point. It's just one long chain, 36 inches. You can make it shorter according to who you're making it for. If the person is shorter, make it, a smaller necklace. If they're a taller person, then make it a longer necklace, all that good stuff. So I'm going to have about 2.5 inches hanging down by itself without the necklace, without the round part. And so I'm going to get my split ring. I am going to open my split ring. I'm going to bend it back so it's open like that. And then I am going to take where I want to connect the end of the necklace, the end of the chain, with the middle point. So this is the middle point. And then I'm going to take the link at the very end, and I'm going to put the split ring through that link, and then I'm going to close my split ring. Up. Make sure there's no gap so your chain does not fall through. So it's just as easy as that. My split ring is holding this necklace together pretty much. So there's my split ring right here. And then, yeah, it's holding the necklace, and it's a no clasp necklace. It's so long you don't need a clasp, which is really great. And then the next step you're going to do is you're going to put a loop on every single bead that you want on this necklace. You're going to put a loop. So I'm going to get a head pin, and I'm going to put my head pin through my bead, just like that. Put my head pin through, and I just want to loop on one side. I don't want to loop on two sides. So I'm going to cut a pretty small size wire. I'm going to cut my wire. So if you see right here, cut my wire, and then I'm going to make a loop. So I'm going to take my wire and pull back at a 90-degree angle, and then I'm going to, like I always say, I'm going to use my round nose pliers. See how it goes from small all the way to big? I'm going to take my wire and put it towards the small end, and then I am going to loop around and just make a loop like that. So I make a loop, and I'm gonna do that for every single bead. You're gonna do that for every single bead. Now I already did that in advance because that's how I roll. And so when you do that for every single bead, you put a loop on every single bead you want to put on your chain. You're just gonna start putting your beads on your chain. So I'm going to open the loop just a little bit, and you're like, well, why don't you leave it? Well, you can leave it. I like to make a full loop. So I'm going to open my loop, and I'm going to put it through the first link, and I am going to close it up so there's no gap. So that is the start, and I am going to put a bead on every single link, on every single chain link. I'm going to put a bead on every single chain link, and so I'm going to open another loop. I'm going to find my next chain link right next to the one I just put a bead on, and I'm going to close it up. And I am going to go, yeah, close it up, close it up, close it up. Close it up, just like that. And I am going to go all the way up this chain. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. So go ahead and do that. So I have this one strand by itself all done up with beads. I put a bead on every link. And now I'm going to go up the necklace that goes around the neck part. I'm not going to go very far, probably about 2 inches on each side. You can go up however far you want. I found the less beads I go up, the less you can really tell that they're going up the loop end instead of just the straight end. And so I will do at least 2 inches up. I'm going to start doing that. You can even put it on the split ring because that's part of your chain link now in a way. And so I'm putting my bead on, opened it up, and then I'm closing up that loop, and I am just going to keep going up, and I'm going to make it the same on both sides. So however many beads I put on this side, I'm going to put the same on this side. So go ahead and do that. So I just put on my last bead, and there you have it. It's really so simple, and yet people are wanting this style. They're wanting the long, chunky bead necklace kind of style, so this is perfect. Oh my goodness, do you see this fabulous necklace? Oh, look at that. It is so cute. I love it, and I love it. Bringing you up to my face, right here, to my face, that's right. Hey, so wasn't that so easy? And it's so cute. And you can make tons of different styles of colors and shapes of beads and stuff. You don't have to just go with black. My friend wanted black, so I totally went with black, right? But I love it. It's so simple, and everybody's wanting a long, chunky beaded necklace, and this is a perfect style to have that kind of piece of jewelry. So that's pretty much all I got for you guys. Now I don't just make how-to jewelry videos. I am on Etsy, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Pinterest, so you can go check me out there. You can go to the link below and it will take you to those sites. And then if you want to know when I post other videos, you can click right here to subscribe. And then here's another one of my videos and another one of videos I've done. But I'd love for you to comment, share, like, but that's it. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah! Love you. Bye!